Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how I got this desert goddess sort of blue and sandy brown eye look. Keep on watching and let's get on with it. Okay, so the palette I'm using is quite an old school palette. You might have it, but if you don't have it, it doesn't matter. Just find some colours that are a bit similar and try and follow along with me if you want to, or just chill out and watch whatever you fancy. So it's the BH Cosmetics Colour Festival palette. This palette is so good. I think I ranked this quite high up in one of my last eyeshadow palette ranking videos. I love all the colours in here. They're so cool, so unique, and yeah, it's just a hidden gem, I think, in the makeup community. Really love it. Don't think you can get it anymore. Might be lucky with eBay, but yeah. But here we go. And this is quite an old palette, and the eyeshadows are still holding up really, really well, and they don't irritate my eye or anything. I finished this look off. I haven't gone to put mascara on because I'm also going to be filming some more looks after this, and then it's just going to be me wasting mascara, putting it on and wiping off. You can get an idea, I think, hopefully, without any mascara on, what it would look like with, look, it would look really cool with my eyelashes all looking all big and beautiful. And I could work on some falsies, but I don't actually have any at the moment, but I will be getting some because I think that could take my looks to a whole new level. So yeah, so I'm just going to get my brushes. I've got Eco Tool brushes, as you guys know that follow me. But if you don't, they're the ones that I use like all the time. I love them. They're my little brush babies. They're really, really good. And I've got a little brush pad. Just giving them off a little clean. And I've already primed my eyelids. I'm using the Revolution. I always say it like Revolution eye base. Where is it? Sorry about the noise in my jaw. If you have sensitive ears. It's this one, but the writing has like completely rubbed off. And it's like the white base one. It's really good. I do like this one. And this one doesn't like crease or go, make my eyeshadows go all weird. I do like this one. I think I prefer this one more now than my Wet n Wild Photo Focus one, is it? I think I like that one better than this one. What are you? You're the Photo Focus. Yeah. But anywho, I am waffling on. I hope you're all doing well. If you're a lover of makeup and eyeshadow tutorials, please consider subscribing if you haven't already. That would mean so much to me. Thank you in advance. Okay, so starting off with, I went straight in with the denim shade. No, I didn't. I did Chick. So we're doing Chick, this like brown shade here. We're going to do that. And I sort of just put it on like the inner corner. So I do a bit here. It's really easy though. We're just going to carve it out. So we do a bit there, a bit there. And I'm literally just like pushing it on at the moment because I want to really pack on the colour first. Just like that. Leave like just literally a little line. You could go and put on some more, like you could carve out with some concealer if you really want to, but I don't feel like you really need to. If you really want that perfect like line, then fine. But I sort of like went in and then started to blend mine. You'll see. Okay. I'm just going to change brushes. I want more of like a pencil type brush like this. So now I've packed that on with that. You could pack it on with that one, but I just like the other one because it's bigger, more the brushes the tips of the brush are more at an angle. That's what I'm trying to say. So yeah. So just going to take a bit more of that brown Chick shade, which I really like. How it's just a nice like light brown. And I'm just trying to basically, because I've got quite hooded eyes, I want to take that colour up a bit more, like I have on this side. Because otherwise you're not going to see anything when I look right at you, you know what I mean? Like, that's why I take it up a bit higher. Because otherwise you're just going to see it all when I'm looking down and I want, you know, want it to be noticed more. So I'll just take it up a bit higher. And that's why I start to sort of buff that colour in. I'm going down here because I don't want to brush cross because otherwise we're going to cover up the gap. I don't want to cover up the gap just yet. I'm not bringing it too far down, just right in a corner, because you can see I've done a really nice shiny inner corner there, and I want that bit left free. Just buffing it out. Little windscreen wiper motions. And then here, I just like to sort of flick it up. Haven't got any tape or anything. You could do, and then peel it off, but for this look, I don't feel like you really need to add tape on all that jazz. It's really easy. Boom. Then I'm going to go in with my, like, chubby pencil brush, would you call it? But look, I've just taken that shade. That's called a denim. It's just a beautiful shade. Here we go. You could spray it if you want to, but I'm going on quite a tacky base already, so I'm not going to, but you could if you want to. And I'm just literally going to like pencil push on along the line we left free. And then, as you can see in the other one, I ended up blending it out quite a bit. Overlapped it quite a bit. I'm just going to look at my mirror dead on and see how far up I want to bring it, because you really can't see much of it at the moment because of my hooded eyes. And that's why we take it up a bit, so you can actually see it. But you want to look like dead straight on in a mirror when you're doing this. That's what I'm doing with my eyes open, like they would be if I was just looking at somebody. And then when you've got like your reference point, you can start blending it into the other shade. I just sort of tap over onto it, and then I blended it out a little bit that way. And then I did the same with this line on the other side. Blended it out. Take it up a bit. I don't mind if the outer, these bits here, if they blend and they make sort of like another colour like they have here. It looks kind of cool. I like it. But I don't want to muddy up too much of the blue with the brown shade. Otherwise that's just going to look like a hot mess. So try not to do that. I guess this bit takes a bit of time. And then I just go in and build up that colour. And then in a bit, you'll see what else I do. And then once you're happy, just take your finger, any finger you feel happy to dip into this lovely blue shade. I'm just going to take my middle finger, and then I'm just going to, isn't it beautiful? Such a nice blue. And then it's not as, you know, deep like the other one. So then we just tap it on. Focus more in the middle of the eye, and then bring it down the tip bit of your eye, because when you open, that's where you see more of the colour. So I like to focus a lot of that there. And then just sort of pat it on a little bit, like that. And the next shade we're going to take is this lovely shade called Hollow. It's like, I don't know, it's like a blue, but then it's got like some other shades, like colours going on in it. Shades, I mean colours. It looks like, it's like an icy blue. Maybe it's got a bit of pink in it. Maybe it's got a bit of purple. It's just a really nice shade. So I'm going to put that on the middle. Here you go, if I show you now with my finger. So, I don't know. It looks like a silver, but it just looks like it's got other things going on in it. Silvery blue, maybe. And then I just like to go on top of that blue with that, just to make it, I don't know, stand out a bit more, and it just gives it a bit more sparkle, a bit more on that one, a bit more depth. Now I'm going to take my little smudge brush, and I'm literally just going to go in with the denim shades along the lower lash line, like so. Ta-da! I'm just gonna I'm just pushing it on, really, like stamping it on. I don't want to smudge it across. You might want to put some tape or tissue paper or something underneath the eye to stop fallout. I don't have any foundation on at the moment, so I haven't, so I'm not bothered. I would do the eye makeup first and then foundation after. It will just save time and clean up. But everyone likes doing their makeup a different way, so just do you and do whatever way you feel more comfortable. You can always clean it up afterwards with makeup remover wipes or baby wipes, or micellar water is pretty good. I've run out of mine. I get some more, and then I sort of smudge it in a bit more, just like that. And then I take my little tiny pencil brush. Absolutely love this brush. It's so good. I do actually, yeah, I would encourage you guys, if you don't have a brush like this, like a tall, thin, skinny, stiff-ish pencil, if you don't have one like this, I would just get one. They're so, like, But I use it all the time for doing like little pencil bits of work here, in a corner, lower, for like even drawing and stuff with my eyeshadow. It's really cool. This is a BH Cosmetics one, and this is 132. The number and everything's just worn off a little bit. But I think you can still get these, and they still sell them on Amazon if you're interested. Or just get one that's similar if you see it in a shop and you're out and about. Really good. Make sure it's stiff though. You don't want it too wibbly wobbly. You want some control. So go back into that brown shade, which is called Check. That nice little brown shade. And I just like to, do you know what I mean? Like, just, it's really good for going in and just adding a bit more of that colour just to build it up without having a huge fluffy brush. Because this is going to take away everything you've just done. That's why I love these little brushes. They're so good. You can just top up that colour. And then to deepen it up a bit, I'm taking the shade DJ, which is like a nice, it looks sort of reddy, but it's not. It's just like a deeper, well, I guess it's like a deeper reddish sort of brown. Me and my colour explaining descriptions. Blur off any little bits. And I just wanted to deepen out this outer corner. So I'm just going to get it and just do this. See, look already. And then I'll just take it up. Almost sort of blending, but I'm not. I'm just like patting. I'm just patting, going a little bit over that other blue shade. If you think your brush is getting a bit muddy or, you know, dirty, or it's going too much onto that blue, just get your brush pad, clean it off. If you don't have a brush pad, you could use a old flannel. That could work, really. Don't use tissue though, because it's just going to get all bitty and then you're going to have tissue on your face. So yeah, you want like a flannel or an old towel or something. It will work just as well if you don't have a brush pad. There we go. And I think I'm going to deepen it up a bit more because that side looks a bit deeper than that one at the moment. Okay, that's that. And then for eyeliner, I'm taking the NYX Slide On Glide On eyeliner. And it's this lovely blue shade. It's called Azure, I think. Yeah, looks like that. It's really nice. Use a little sharpen. And we're just gonna pop that in the waterline. Build it up a bit more. You don't have to build it up that much, but that's how much it is at the moment. It's quite a nice one. Again, not sensitive to this one. I tried looking though for these on Amazon and a few other shops. I couldn't find them. So I don't know if these ones, like, they might have just redone them, because I know that NYX still do these eyeliners, but I don't know if they call them this anymore, like the big fat long line they've got on them. I think they've named them or redone them, but still very good and affordable as well. NYX eyeliners, really, really good. And then next bit in the corner, I'm going to take the lovely sort of icy bluey shade that you saw before. Come on camera, focus. That one, so nice, such a nice shade. And we're just going to pop that on in the inner corner. Now, I sort of go on and put it on dry. I just do, I don't know why, just like how I do it. So I go on and put a bit on dry here. And just like, you know, really push that on there. So you can like stick and adhere to like the eye primer that I put there already. But then I like to go on top with my, just gonna brush off my brush a minute, with my Glitter Fix gel. I actually do like this. I use this all the time now. I know you guys are like, I'm a broken record. I say this so much to you. But if you knew, you wouldn't know, would you? So I like to go on top of that, put a bit of that gel on top of already we've put that eyeshadow. Trust me, it just like gives it more pop. Like doing a bit drier than going on top with like the wetness of it. I don't know. And then, boom. Put that on top. I'm just going to shut my eye a bit so I don't poke myself in the eye. And there we go. That is my finished look. Obviously, it would look even more cooler if I did do my mascara. You could imagine it. Or you put on some lovely big bushy eyelashes. But again, I'm doing some more videos today. I don't want to just waste my mascara. You guys know if I was going to go put mascara on, I'd probably go grabbing my e.l.f. mascara, the new e.l.f. one, because that's a really good mascara. I love it. But yeah, this is the finished look. I really like how it's come out. I feel like a grungy, deserty, Mad Max warrior girl. Maybe, maybe not. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Do you like this look? Would you recreate this look? Would you go out on the town with this look? Let me know, because I would love to know. Okay, love you all and take care, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.